Howdy, howdy, y'all. It's Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee. And today I am back on my last sleigh ride with Santa over on Ginger's Corner. This is the last thing I have to complete to have a complete 10. And today we are visiting Canada. And it says, Joy ex Noel. Canada is a very large country with many different cultural backgrounds. Canadians like to decorate their houses, watch Christmas specials, and go skating, skiing, and tobogganing. They also love to send Christmas cards to their family and friends. To earn your ornament for this destination, everyone will make a Christmas card to send to someone you care about. Be sure to add a little sparkle with some rhinestones, enamel dots, or sequins. Okay, so this is going to be a very quick video, very simple, basic card. Y'all know I like to focus on layouts, but I do make my Christmas cards every year, and by the time y'all see this, because I'm filming it ahead, it will already be mailed off to someone. But Merry Christmas, because this will post on Christmas. I'm just posting this short video because I will have another video with all of my winners from my giveaways posted at some point today. So, without further ado, pretty much this is something Miss Mallory sent me in the partner swap. I took some of the printables from Scrapasketch with the music notes and just trimmed it down to fit behind it so the silhouette would show up. So let me glue that down. And I use this stamp set. It's from Temu. It's a Temu stamp set. And to stamp my sentiment, and then I backed it with gold foil paper. And this is just a piece of paper from the 8.5 by 11 Hobby Lobby paper pad I showed in another video. It was just a scrap that was laying here, and I just cut it down to card size. I hope you guys are enjoying the holidays with your family and your friends and your loved ones, and I hope you guys get lots of scrap goodies, and I hope that y'all get lots of time to craft. I know usually the week after Christmas is my major crafting time. Like, I have lots of time then because Christmas is over and all that good stuff, and I'm just going to trim this so it'll fit in the envelope. Alright, and then I'm just going to put this on because Jesus is the reason for the season. Always and always and always. And then we have to have rhinestones, enamel dots, or sequins. So I pulled out these little gold sequins. And these sequins are different. I picked these up at, I think, Dollar General. But I don't know if y'all can see it. Let's see if I can stand up close and show you. But some of them are plain, and some of them have glitter on them. And I've never saw sequins like that that's glittered. But isn't that cool? And it's both sides of them's glittered. But I thought that was neat. And in the pack, there's silver ones too, but they had 3 different packs that came in it with different sizes. This is the other packs. It's got like a small, medium, and large size in it. And they have the silver ones too, and those are really cool. So I think that was Dollar General. But pretty much I'm just going to add some dots of glue so I can add some sequins to make it sparkle, make it look like the stars in the sky. And I'm just going to use my little pickup tool. And I might should have used tacky glue to make them stay better, but it'll be okay. Trying to mix up sparkly and non-sparkly. Well, they're all sparkly, but glittery and non-glittery, I guess I should say. And that is going to be our Christmas card pretty much. I'm going to put one more sequin up here. So go over. You still have time until December the 30th to play Sleigh Rides with Santa. So hopefully if you get plenty of time this week after Christmas to come over and do the challenges. There's only 10 this time. I've done all the countries, so you can go back and watch my other videos if you've missed them. You can jump over to the group, and there are a lot of people that's played along already, and lots of inspiration. I will still be posting some of the Scrapasketch because every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday is a new sketch all the way through the end of the month. So there'll be a couple more new sketches and challenges over there if you want to come check that out. But thank you guys. I hope you have a very blessed Christmas, that you enjoy your day, and most of all, celebrate Jesus and the reason that why we can celebrate Christmas. So, until next time, bye y'all.